Let's learn the letter A. Big A has a pointy top and two slanted legs. Little a is a round circle with a straight line. It makes the sound. Say it with me.
Ah.
Listen to the sound at the beginning of these words. Ah, apple. Ah, ant. Ah, alligator. Ah, anchor. And ah, astronaut. That is the letter A. Can you say those words back to me?
Good job!
Next up, let's explore the letter B. The big B has two big, round bellies stacked on top of each other. The little b is a tall, straight line with one round curve at the bottom. The letter B makes a popping ba sound. Can you say
B.
Listen for that ba sound in these words. Ba, ball, ba, bear, ba, banana, ba, bird, and ba, boat. Now, your turn to read them.
Good job!
Now, grab a pencil and let's trace our letters. Practice making the tall capitals and the small letters for both A and B. When you're finished, show me what you've done. That looks incredible. You did a fantastic job today.
See you next time!